This video examines the Supreme Court case of Guzman 3 versus People, promulgated on February 26, 2024. The case focuses on critical legal issues regarding murder, parricide, probable cause, and the evaluation of bail, with Justice Amy C. Lazaro Javier serving as the ponente. The case involves consolidated petitions. Domingo v. de Guzman 3 challenges the finding of probable cause for murder and the denial of bail. Tomas Pastor appeals the dismissal of a parricide charge against Dalia Guerrero Pastor, while the Office of the Solicitor General also challenges that dismissal. Following the fatal shooting of Enzo Pastor in June 2014, PO2 Angel was arrested in August, leading to an entrapment operation. In 2020, the Court of Appeals granted Dalia's petition to dismiss the parricide charge. Finally, in February 2024, the Supreme Court affirmed the Court of Appeals decision. The investigation into Enzo Pastor's death relied on several key elements: an eyewitness account of the shooting, a confession from PO2 Angel, an entrapment operation involving de Guzman, and testimonies from witnesses regarding the suspect's prior actions and relationships. Evidence against de Guzman includes a confession and a televised admission, his arrest during an entrapment operation, and testimony from a hitman. Evidence against Dalia Pastor is primarily circumstantial, involving statements from interrogation and testimony about her personal life. The Supreme Court denied all petitions and affirmed the Court of Appeals decision in its entirety. This means the finding of probable cause for murder against de Guzman and the denial of his bail stand, and the dismissal of the parricide charge against Dalia Pastor is upheld. Regarding the indictment of de Guzman, the court reiterated that probable cause for an arrest warrant requires facts sufficient to establish a well-founded belief of guilt. Furthermore, bail is discretionary in capital offenses when evidence of guilt is strong, which the court determined was satisfied here. For Dalia Pastor's discharge, the court emphasized the strict standard for proving conspiracy. It noted that the co-accused's confession was inadmissible against her, under the res inter alios acta rule, and other circumstantial facts were insufficient to link her to the crime as an active co-conspirator. This table provides a summary of the rulings across different court levels. While the RTC initially found probable cause for both defendants, the appellate and Supreme Court levels distinguished the cases, affirming the murder prosecution for de Guzman while dismissing the parricide charge against Dalia Pastor. Key legal doctrines reinforced include the necessity for judicial independence when evaluating probable cause, the requirement for positive evidence of conspiracy, and the application of the res inter alios acta rule, which prevents an extrajudicial confession from binding those not present when it was made. The case also highlights evidentiary lessons. Recantations of earlier confessions are viewed with disfavor when the original statements were made voluntarily. Additionally, appellate courts may utilize certiorari jurisdiction to review a trial court's finding of probable cause if there was a grave abuse of discretion. This concludes our summary of the de Guzman 3 versus People case. Thank you for watching. The images used in this video were sourced from publicly available websites, as cited here.